I've heard of guys like marry someone like
I'm Conic.
I'm Ilona.
And this is my 2000 limited 3rd gen. It's has an e-locker. I got it 6 weeks ago, and I already put like 3,000 miles on it. Looking forward to doing some SICMODS.
Hi, my name's Miley. This is my 3rd gen 98 4Runner, and this is Todd, and he's up for adoption with Copper's Dream Rescue.
All right.
SICMODS.
Hey guys, my name is Bert. This is Sophia, Leslie. We're here at Timmy the Toolman's party. TBLS TRD.
Table turn.
This is my signature.
Table TRD.
This is my 2016 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro.
And there will be further mods.
Further mods to come.
More mods for the mom?
Oh yeah.
Thanks guys.
What up? My name is Marcus on T4R. I'm Mark Tech. This is my 2000 Toyota 4Runner. Instagram Mark MARC_Tech TEQ. Or you can also see me on Wheelbased. This is my 2000 4Runner. Custom front bumper, Savage rear bumper, Savage full skids, Fire onboard air, white knuckle off-road bolt-on sliders. Here at Timmy the Toolman and Sean's Mod Day Barbecue. Yeah, just having a good time hanging out.
I'm Jordan. My handle on T4R is JZiggy. This is my 99 4Runner. 4-banger, 5-speed. It's been in a lot of Tim's videos. I have him to thank for most of the mods that have been completed on this car. Hood struts are one of my favorites. And if you've never seen a 3RZ before, that's what it looks like. It's as slow as it looks. SICMODS.
What up? My name is Mark. T4R handle is GhettoFlow21. This is my 2002 4Runner. A little modded out. It's got 295,000 miles on it, so hoping to hit 300 this year.
What's up guys? Artemis Prime on T4R. Here at Timmy's house in my 2000 T4R. 4-wheel drive, factory locker, custom sliders, badass roof rack. Gets me where I need to go. SICMODS, bro.
They say Three's Company. Mod Day Barbecue.
SICMODS.
I don't know what's sicker, the food or the mods.
Hi, this is Trent. This is my 96 4Runner. I'm on T4.org. My username is Tim Lang. Been here today, first time to see Timmy and Sean for the SICMODS, SIC parties. Nice group of third gen foreigners.
Ready for this? You just walk up to it. It unlocks. You don't even have to touch your keys or anything. It just unlocks. This is Jerky Drewster. This is my 4Runner. It's probably not the coolest one, I think. That one's pretty cool. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Andrew. My handle on T4R is Runner Elect. This is my 2000 Toyota 4Runner.
I'm Gino Vitale.
Stephanie Vitale.
This is our 97 Toyota 4Runner from Fresno, California, out here at Timmy the Toolman and Sean's.
We're gonna raffle off one more thing. See this like jalopy 4Runner? We're gonna raffle this off next.
Nobody wants it.
Thanks everybody for coming. Enjoy the shade, sit back, relax, enjoy the show.
There's some water on ice. Anybody thirsty?
I'll take some water on the rocks.
I have that. Here you go. Already inside.
All right, guys, we got some cool stuff to give away. We got some DUROBUMPS. We got 2 sets of rears if you're lifted. We got 1 set if you're not lifted. Front diff mount bushings from DUROBUMPS as well. DUROBUMPS picked this up. We got some hood strut kits by Spiker Engineering, our buddy Leon in LA. So Eimkeith donated his Panhard correction kit. So if you guys want to throw that on your rig, we got one to give away if you haven't already done that. And we also have a hot ash stove. So if you're cooking out in the middle of nowhere, you can use this little kit. Yota High Mileage also gave us some patches here.
Hear that, Edward?
So thanks Stevens Creek Toyota for donating some swag for Toyota time at Timmy's garage here, so we can have some fun and do some SICMODS. You guys ready to get this started?
Yeah. Yes. Curtis owns a 3rd gen 4Runner, and he decided that he would try to redesign and make a better bump stop for the rigs. And so this guy has history in manufacturing of plastics and rubbers, and plastic in the rubber industry. He works with chemical engineers, and so they came up with this design, which is pretty cool. So this was a lot of R&D that he came up with this.
So there are 2 sets?
So much D went into the thing.
Yeah, we got 2 sets. All right, you guys ready?
We're pulling 2.
All right, let's hear a drum roll, please.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No, just kidding. Wait! You should have seen his face. He was like,
No way!
Yeah,
way!
Right,
can't wait!
How do you feel?
I feel great. I'm a winner. No.
We have a 1 Jay-Z.
Jeez.
Jay-Z, the winner!
Oh, Jay-Z, you want to do the other one separate then?
Winner, chicken dinner.
Thank you.
All right. Swag bag.
Good job, Jordan. Let's get
All right, who's got the swag bag?
Anwar for the swag bag.
You know where that's from, right?
Do you drink your coffee?
For these?
I'm so excited.
All this stuff came from Stevens Creek Toyota. Thank you guys.
Are you talking to Stevens Creek Toyota? Who are we talking to?
Yeah, they're there.
Hey guys! Don't drop it.
The Stevens Creek swag bag. Stevens Creek Toyota.
Yes.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Like a winner.
You can't decide. Wait, how do you feel?
Great. Close to 200K.
There you go.
Nice.
You just keep talking.
All right, we're gonna keep the pace with the DUROBUMP. We got a front DUROBUMP and also the dismount bushings. So thanks DUROBUMPS for giving us these.
Cool thing about these support arm bushings is Toyota doesn't make them. So previously, if your bushings went to hell, then you would have to replace the whole arms, which from Toyota is pretty damn expensive. So Curtis, being the cool guy that he is, came up with his own replacement bushing, so you save money. So that's what's cool about these.
So you get the front lower control arm bushings and the dip mount arm bushing as a whole set. Mind blown? I know.
God bless Curtis.
I don't know what they are, but I need them.
Make up your mind?
I can do it. Good luck, Mark.
Which one?
He just smiles. He's like, meh.
Hey.
Super zoom.
Everybody good?
Okay. What are we raffling off now?
Let's see. Drum roll, please.
Marcus! 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 It's Timo!
Yeah! Got one more.
Conic, the man, the myth, the legend. That's all you wanted and more.
These hood struts came from our buddy Leon. So Leon is a guy that actually has visited Jordan a few times, and he came up with a hood strut kit for 3rd Gen 4Runners, and then now he also has them for 1st Gen Tacomas from years 2001 to 2004. So SICMODS. Spiker Engineering. Thank you, Leon.
Gears that were new, that were used, that he never.
Winner, chicken dinner?
Was it? No, that guy.
All right, you guys ready? Drum roll.
What did you do?
Oh, that's me.
Okay, good. I know. Tough crowd, y'all. Tough crowd.
You'll never have to use your hood prop rod again.
DW.
Swag bag from Stevens Creek Toyota. Thank you, guys.
All right, thanks Eimkeith for donating this Panhard correction kit.
This Panhard correction kit was donated by Eimkeith. He's a regular on ToyotaForerunner.org. He's an engineering type kind of genius. He came up with this Panhard correction kit to get the rear end a little more dialed in. Another thing that he has is a strut tower reinforcement for the front. He also has a rear lower control arm reinforcement, and then he also has a gas tank kit, so you can put a Ford F-150 gas tank in the rear of your 4Runner. So the guy's pretty damn smart. He's always coming up with new things for our rigs. So thank you again, Keith, for providing this for our party. Thank you. Rear bumper that he's working on. He's working on lots of stuff. Cool guy.
Coolest. Steve-O.
Oh yeah. The guy who needs it. Oh.
Guys, I really want you all to
Steve-O, you won 2 prizes. How do you feel?
I'm very happy right now.
And there's a pen over here.
Who's got tickets?
Who's got tickets?
We got some sick camping gear here.
Right.
Tim, you want to do this? You want to do the spiel to the people? There they are, the people.
So we have this camp stove, and it's not your everyday camp stove that you can pick up at REI. This is a really cool special one. The way we found out about this is my buddy Jordan, who you've seen in a lot of our videos, probably about 10 or 11 videos. His brother in Atlanta, Georgia, helped design these. So I'm going to bring Jordan up now, and Jordan's going to explain all the features of this cool little camp stove.
Okay.
I'll help you.
But you got to tell those people in there.
Talk to these people?
Yeah.
Okay. So Hot Ash is a company in Atlanta. They do designs for various cookers and stoves that operate on the principle of wood gasification. Basically the wood burns, and then the smoke that comes off of it is burned again. So it burns without smoke and burns very, very hot. So this is actually a camp stove that you can carry around, and I guess it's really good for camping needs, but burns very efficiently. And then we also have Tim has a grill that's brand new by this company over there that we wanted to show you too.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the first part. So if you just wanted a fire pit, this is your fire pit. But that's not all. It also is a grill. So we went from fire pit, now we're grilling. There you go. There you go. You're grilling, you're having a good time. But you don't want to grill, you want to make pizza. So let's take this up. So then you get your cool topper for the pizza. It's got a built-in thermometer, 800 degrees. Woo! So then you grab your pizza stone, provided by Hot Ash. You slide this sucker in there. Now you're making pizza. Pretty darn cool.
Okay, so as the wood is burning in here, fresh air is being drawn through these bottom ports and up through the walls, and then they exit through these top ports, and it contacts the smoke and it burns it again, causing it to burn very hot and very clean. It's like an EGR for your stove.
Very cool. So it's not just a regular old fire pit, there's a lot of cool engineering that went into this. So thank you, Jared and the rest of the gang at Hot Ash. We really appreciate you guys hooking us up with the free product. Thank you very much.
Go. You're the winner. You're it.
All right, guys, you have fun? Everybody.
Thank you, DUROBUMPS. Curtis, you're awesome. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you, Eimkeith. You're awesome. Thank you. Great products. Thank you, Stevens Creek Toyota, for the swag box of all the goodies, t-shirts, hats, cups. Thank you, Yota High Mileage Club, for the cool stickers. People are digging them. Thank you, Spiker Engineering, our buddy Leon. Thank you for the hood strut kits. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Tim. Tim, thank you, Tim.
Hey, Sean.
Hey, Sean.